ina-advocate namin ng digital payments because it promotes inclusion. Kahit sino pwede mag-avail ng products, financial products online. But kung ang kasabay naman yan, mga scam, hindi magte-take off to, di ba? So how can we encourage the people to go online, all of these things, if they are being scammed? Lumalaki yan. The original AFASA, it evolved until it became now the AFASA. Nilagay namin yung mga experiences ng iba't ibang jurisdiction, especially in Southeast Asia. Ano ba ang nangyayari sa kanila? So might as well, let's get the best. How are they helping their citizens? And then, ano ba yung mga legal tools na ginagamit nila? Pinagsama-sama namin yan with the original bill, and then this is the AFASA.